Have you ever been short on time but you just wanted to paint? Couldn't be bothered mixing up any extra paint, so you just grab whatever's on your shelf, mix it together, prepare a canvas and pour it on, see what happens. And then you get really surprise results. Well, that's what happened to me today. It's very organic. I'm going to include it in my Gold Fever series, and I will try very hard to talk you through what I actually did and what I think was in these different formulas. Welcome to Kiwi Pearls. My name's Deb. Thanks so much for stopping by. Now let's get down to the canvas and paint. Don't forget to hang on to the end for the dry results. Now to explain. After sorting through my colours and looking at what I had in the pearl mix and looking at what I had in the pour over mix, I decided to try something a little different in my layering. I grabbed some similar colours, so my pearl colours that I chose were similar to my pour over colours. I just wanted them slightly different, and I wanted to actually pour them on the canvas in a similar way as well and just see what would happen. So that's what I've done here. The colours were all really thin, so I did thicken them up a little bit by adding a little bit more pouring medium to them. And the metallic black, I actually added some more of the neutral PPG enamel to it, just straight, so that it would thicken it up. With the pour over colours, I did mix up two. I mixed up the Sonja Copper and the Carbon Black by Sonja as well. I mixed them up fresh because the ones that I actually had there were really manky, so I threw them away. Now some of these mixtures were mixed up with matte pouring medium, the golden matte pouring medium instead of the gloss. I will try to figure that out and add that in the description for you. I layer these in the cup, so you'll notice when I do the pour over colours that the copper and the black that I've mixed up fresh is actually a bit heavier. It's a little bit thicker because it is fresh, and the other ones have been sitting for so long, they've gone so thin that it sinks to the bottom. So it's given the painting quite a different effect. I don't think I'll ever be able to do anything like this again, so I was quite excited about it when I was watching it develop. I'll pop some music on now so you can watch the rest of this painting in peace. If you enjoy what you're seeing, please think about giving me a like, maybe subscribing, and especially comments. I really love comments and I will answer everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.